Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms, and in this video we are going to discuss Acephalous lines in poetry. Introduction. In the realm of poetry, meter plays a crucial role in creating rhythm and musicality. One intriguing metrical form is the acephalous line, derived from the Greek term meaning headless. An acephalous line is a metrical line that lacks the first syllable according to strict meter. This form is particularly notable in iambic lines, where the expected unstressed syllable at the beginning is missing, resulting in a line that begins with a stressed syllable. Understanding and identifying acephalous lines can enhance our appreciation of poetic techniques and the rhythmic variations poets employ to add emphasis and variety to their work. Definition and structure of acephalous lines. An acephalous line is essentially a headless metrical line, where the initial unstressed syllable of an iambic foot is omitted. In a standard iambic line, the pattern consists of alternating unstressed and stressed syllables, such as in the following line of iambic pentameter. To be or not to be, that is the question. Here, each iambic foot follows the pattern of unstressed and stressed syllables. However, in an acephalous line, the first iamb is truncated, resulting in a line that starts with a stressed syllable. For example, be or not to be, that is the question. This alteration disturbs the regular metrical pattern and creates a distinctive rhythmic effect. Examples of acephalous lines in poetry. Acephalous lines can be found in various poetic traditions and are often used to create emphasis or a sense of urgency. Here are some examples from well-known works. Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. Chaucer, one of the earliest and most significant poets writing in English, used acephalous lines to create rhythmic variation. In The Canterbury Tales, the line, "Rage he was, and swore full deep." This line lacks the initial unstressed syllable, creating a sense of abruptness and intensity that matches the character's emotional state. Emily Dickinson's Because I Could Not Stop for Death. Emily Dickinson's poetry is known for its unconventional meters and slant rhymes. In this poem, an acephalous line can be observed. Labor we passed the school where children strove. The line starts with a stressed syllable, enhancing the poem's meditative and reflective tone. W.B. Yeats's The Second Coming. Yeats frequently used metrical variations to convey his themes and emotions. In The Second Coming, an acephalous line appears, turning and turning in the widening gyre. The truncated line contributes to the poem's sense of chaos and disintegration. The function and effect of acephalous lines. Acephalous lines serve various functions in poetry. By disrupting the expected metrical pattern, they can create emphasis. The abrupt beginning of an acephalous line draws attention to the initial word or phrase, making it stand out more prominently. Convey emotion. The break in rhythm can mirror the emotional state of the speaker or the atmosphere of the poem, such as urgency, tension, or contemplation. Enhance musicality. Variations in meter, including acephalous lines, contribute to the musical quality of poetry, preventing monotony and adding dynamic shifts in rhythm. Reflect natural speech. Acephalous lines can mimic natural speech patterns, making the poem feel more conversational or spontaneous. Conclusion. Acephalous lines, with their headless structure, offer poets a versatile tool for adding rhythmic diversity and emotional depth to their work. By omitting the initial unstressed syllable in an iambic line, poets can create emphasis, convey complex emotions and enhance the musicality of their verse. Understanding this metrical form allows readers to appreciate the subtle nuances and innovations in poetry, enriching their overall reading experience. Whether found in the works of Chaucer, Dickinson, or Yeats, Acephalous lines continue to demonstrate the creative possibilities inherent in the art of poetry. So this was the discussion on the term acephalous lines in poetry. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.